Hey guys, man, these videos are fun. This is the fourth time I'm doing this. 2 times I had to redo it because one time I accidentally did it thinking it was going to be a short and it looked stupid. And the next time I got 2 copyright things just trying to let you guys listen to this guy. So this is the new Cambridge Audio Evo 150, 150 by 2. Plenty of power. I had it running on these Sonus Faber Sonettos over here. I'm sorry, these are the Sonus Faber Olympica Novas. 4 ohm speakers, really powerful speakers, tons of bass response, all that stuff. So great looking unit. It's got a screen. It reminds me a lot of this name unit that's over there with my Macintosh. I really love that stuff, obviously with the headphone amp, but you know, those are over $5 or something. So you know, for a nice streamer, this is $3 retail. I'm sure you can get deals places and things like that. You've got channel changing capabilities and source changing capabilities up here. Volume knob, hard button, you know, for those people that are still into doing that and not using the remote. Presets, really clean. One thing I love about this thing is the look. So it's got 2 versions. One is this wood thing here, and you can actually just reach around the back, pop it off, and change the look of it. And it comes with both wood and this really modern, really clean, pretty black. And they just literally magnet off and really cool looking. So the back of this guy here, I took the speaker wires out of it so we could take a look at it. So the back of this guy here, it's got kind of all the, you know, all the things you'd need. I mean, it's got obviously hard Ethernet, which I love. I don't like doing things with Wi-Fi. It's got HDMI ARC, so you can just put a high-end little 2-channel system. Sorry, I wasn't even looking at this thing. It's a high-end 2-channel system, you know, in your living room, that kind of thing. You can, you know, you can do those capabilities as well with it. USB, digital and analog inputs, of course. And then it doesn't have a subwoofer output, which, you know, I think is probably a mistake, but at the end of the day, oh, sorry, sub out was right down there. I don't know why. I couldn't see it. It was hiding under the ground thing to me. So it's got a sub out. You can also do rel, of course, off of the speaker level. So there's that too. But a lot of power. It's really a high resolution piece. I really think it sounds really good, especially for $3 for something, you know, something that powerful. I would let you guys listen to it. I had my mic on before, and I was listening to some different tracks and things of that nature, but it got copyright protected, and you know, what are you going to do? So it was powering these Olympica Novas, though, as I said, which obviously takes something to power those. You know, I would say it's a slightly underpowered amplifier to power something of that quality, but a nice pair of $5,000 bookshelves or something really high-end for your living room system, this will do great. It's super sexy, looks good, literally don't need anything else with it. You can plug a record player into it if you want to go full analog and use it that way. But you know, if you just want one piece sitting on a countertop, it really gets it done. I think it's great looking. It doesn't take up a ton of space. You know, with the interchangeable sides, it's a cool unit, and definitely something you should look at in your search for a little, you know, high-end, you know, integrated streamer. So ask me any questions about it that you might have. It's going to be visiting us here for 6 months or so. I moved our musical fidelity piece to the back, which I love as well, just to give this a try for a little while, and we'll kind of circulate things around as, you know, people send me stuff to review. But really like it. Cambridge Audio Evo 150. Thanks.